Mercury might be the smallest planet in our solar system, but it's packed with secrets that will leave you stunned. Let's dive in. Mercury zips around the sun at 47 kilometers per second. That's about 29 miles per second, which is incredibly fast. To put that into perspective, it's almost 60 times faster than a commercial jet. This rapid orbit means that Mercury completes a full revolution around the sun in just 88 Earth days. Imagine celebrating your birthday every 3 months. This speedy orbit is due to Mercury's proximity to the sun, making it the fastest planet in our solar system. A year on Mercury is just 88 Earth days. This means that if you lived on Mercury, you'd experience 4 years in the time it takes for 1 Earth year to pass. However, despite its short year, a single day on Mercury, from one sunrise to the next, lasts about 176 Earth days. This is because Mercury rotates very slowly on its axis compared to its rapid orbit around the sun. So, while the planet races around the sun, its day-to-night cycle is incredibly long. Talk about a speedy orbit. But that's not all. Mercury's orbit is also highly elliptical, meaning it's not a perfect circle. This causes the planet to experience significant variations in distance from the sun, ranging from 46 million kilometers at its closest, perihelion, to 70 million kilometers at its farthest, aphelion. This elliptical orbit contributes to the extreme temperature fluctuations on the planet. During the day, temperatures soar to 430 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. That's a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat is due to Mercury's close proximity to the sun and its lack of a significant atmosphere to shield it from the sun's rays. The surface of Mercury can become so hot that it would easily melt many metals. However, this extreme heat is only one side of the story. But at night, it drops to minus 180 degrees Celsius. That's a bone-chilling minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. The reason for this drastic drop in temperature is Mercury's lack of a substantial atmosphere. Without an atmosphere to retain the heat, the temperature plummets as soon as the sun sets. This means that Mercury experiences some of the most extreme temperature variations in the entire solar system. That's one extreme roller coaster. Imagine standing on the surface of Mercury, experiencing blistering heat during the day and freezing cold at night. It's a planet of extremes, and these temperature swings are just one of the many fascinating aspects of Mercury. Mercury's core is cooling, causing the planet to shrink. Over billions of years, as the core loses heat, the planet contracts. This process has created massive cliffs, known as scarps, on the surface of Mercury. These scarps can be hundreds of kilometers long and rise up to a kilometer high. They are a testament to the dynamic geological history of the planet. This has created massive cliffs, some as tall as 1,000 kilometers. These cliffs are among the most striking features on Mercury's surface. They provide evidence of the planet's active geological past and its ongoing evolution. The cooling and shrinking of Mercury's core is a process that continues to this day, slowly but surely altering the planet's landscape. Mercury's thin exosphere can't trap heat or protect it from space rocks. Unlike Earth, which has a thick atmosphere that shields us from meteoroids and helps regulate temperature, Mercury's exosphere is extremely tenuous. It's composed mostly of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium. This thin layer of gases is not enough to provide any significant protection or insulation. That's why its surface is covered in craters. Mercury's surface is heavily cratered, much like our moon. These craters are the result of countless impacts from comets and asteroids over billions of years. The lack of an atmosphere means that there is no weathering or erosion to wear down these craters, so they remain well preserved. Some of the craters on Mercury are enormous, with diameters reaching hundreds of kilometers. If you were on Mercury, you'd see the sun rise, set, and rise again before it finally sets. This unusual phenomenon is due to Mercury's slow rotation and its elliptical orbit. As Mercury moves closer to the sun appears to move faster across the sky. When it moves away, the sun seems to slow down. This creates a situation where the sun can rise, set, and rise again in a single Mercurian day. How's that for a cosmic light show? Imagine watching the sun perform this dance in the sky. It's a sight that would be unlike anything we experience on Earth. This unique solar movement is just one more reason why Mercury is such a fascinating planet. From its blazing heat to its shrinking surface, Mercury is truly one of a kind. Its extreme conditions, rapid orbit, and unique geological features make it a planet full of surprises. Despite being the smallest planet in our solar system, Mercury has a lot to teach us about the dynamics of planetary bodies and the history of our solar system. What's your favorite fact? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear what you find most fascinating about Mercury. Is it the extreme temperatures, the rapid orbit, or perhaps the shrinking planet phenomenon? Share your thoughts and join the conversation. Subscribe for more cosmic adventures. Stay tuned for more exciting explorations of our solar system and beyond. There's always something new to discover in the vast expanse of space. Don't miss out on our next journey through the cosmos.